Hey, 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 it's me, Elaine Marie, and crochet is my therapy. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you what I've been working on this past week, and I made so many fun things. So first, I want to show you these cute little mini stingrays. They have little Mels on the bottom. Oh, this one doesn't have a mouth. I didn't put it on. I'll have to go back. So cute, little mini stingrays. These little mini stingrays are from Theresa's Crochet, and it is a video tutorial. And so easy to follow and so much fun. I just loved making these. Okay, next, I'm going to show you these mini octopuses that I made. Let's see if I can put them both in my hands. Yes, are they cute? Okay, these I did safety eyes. This one I had done teeny tiny safety eyes, and I didn't like how it looked, so I went back and embroidered some eyes. And I'm not sure if I like it. It kind of looks like he's mad, he or she. So tell me what you think. Did you like this size safety eye or the embroider eyes better? This is a mini octopus pattern by Passionate Crafter, and I will put the link below. Anyway, those are so fun. Next, I made this teeny tiny little cow. So the lighting is blowing it up. So let's see if I can get that lighting better. So that is a little tiny cow in pink and white. And this was from a YouTube tutorial by Bo's Handmade Shop on YouTube. So much fun, and it was easy to make. I was surprised how fun and easy that was to make. So cute. Okay, next I have all these little turtles. I'll show you them one at a time. This one was made with Bernat blanket. This is Tank the Turtle, by the way, from Mel's Crochet Shop on Etsy. So cute. So this one was Bernat blanket. All the rest of them I made it with Parfait Chunky, so you can see the difference in size. Quite a bit different size wise. So this one is Parfait Chunky. All the rest are Parfait Chunky. Then there's a little green on green I made. A little white with pink. I don't think they'll stay. Ooh, it's staying. And this kind of cream and blue color. So much fun. So this is again Tank the Turtle by Mel's Crochet Shop. Her pattern actually calls for you to use the Bernat blanket yarn, but I was using Parfait Chunky, and I loved how cute they turned out. I'm trying to decide, do I want to make them keychains or just a fun little companion for people? Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you think I should add a keychain to these littler ones or just leave them? I'm not sure. Okay, then I made these super cute whales. This whale pattern is all from Jade. I did this blue one first. I love it. I think it's going to be a present for my grandson. His birthday is next month, and so and his name is Jonah, so we thought Jonah and the whale would be a perfect little crochet gift for him. And then I made this purple one. So much fun, super cute. This pattern from Jade, this is, I believe, the first pattern I've purchased from her, and I absolutely loved her instructions. Super easy to follow. She had a few video tutorials you could click on to kind of get more clarification on how to actually do a little tricky part. But once I did it once, and I made this blue one first, once I did it once, I didn't need to be reminded how to do it because the instructions were clear. It was just nice to have those fun little video tutorials to kind of understand what exactly she's saying. Okay, so that was all from Jade. And then the last thing I made are these cookies. And this is my own pattern. I just made these up. So I have this one that's kind of like an Oreo cookie. I don't know if that shows up. It's a dark brown with a white filling cookie, and I made it into a keychain. And then I made this chocolate chip one, and it's got a little friendly face. So cute. So I made those into keychains because I thought that would be fun. You could clip it to your purse, clip it to a backpack. Your kids could use them on their backpacks. You can even clip them to a zipper on your jacket when it gets cold. It's still so warm where I am that I don't even think about what happens when it gets cold. But anyway, one of these days it'll turn cold and I'll be wearing my sweatshirt or something. So anyway, that was what I've been working on. I have some more patterns I want to try, and so I will do a video when I get a bunch of those made and let you know what patterns those are. I enjoy sharing what I've been making and kind of getting to know you, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.